Hi everybody, welcome to our CSN English Club. This is Sachinarayana, teacher in English. This video is all about though, although, and before that, let's know why do we use these conjunctions? What's the purpose of using these conjunctions? Though, although, and even though. In spite of these ideas, also these conjunctions are also used to express two contrast ideas. Two contrast ideas are two opposite ideas. To show how two ideas are opposite to each other. When you want to express two opposite ideas in a single sentence, those two opposite ideas are expressed through these conjunctions to express contrast. Now let's see some examples using though, although, and even though. Here are two ideas. The first one is he lost the match, he looked cheerful. These are two ideas. When you observe these two ideas, both are contrast ideas. Opposite ideas, different ideas. He lost the match. When he lost the match, what happened actually? He looked very sad, but here he looked cheerful. Okay, so these are called contrast ideas. Before combine these two sentences, we have to use though, although, and even though, or in spite of, but these are all the words you can use. But we are going to learn about though, although, and even though. You have to select one of these three. Okay, let's combine these two sentences. Although he lost the match, he looked cheerful. Later I will tell you what's the procedure to be followed before combining those two ideas. Now just observe them. Although he lost the match, he looked cheerful. Although means in spite of. Okay. Although he lost the match, he looked cheerful. Okay. And the same idea is expressed in this way also. He looked cheerful although he lost the match. Both are equal. Okay. You can replace this part to the second part. You can use although in the mid position or in the front position. Okay. The idea is not changed. When we use these two sentences, when we want to combine these two sentences with but, you have to write like this. He lost the match but he looked cheerful. He lost the match but he looked cheerful. But you don't change the sequence. But he looked cheerful, he lost the match. Don't write like that. That flexibility is not applicable here. That flexibility is with the though, although, and even though only. Okay. Next, the same two ideas are to be expressed to be with in spite. Now, let's get the clear idea regarding these three conjunctions, which are all. Now, let me tell you how to combine two sentences using though, although, and even though. Uh, Please observe these two sentences. This T-shirt is small in size, but I like it. Remember one thing. You may be given some linking words like but, still, at. Those words should be deleted in the answer. Don't repeat the same word in the answer. Next, what's the procedure? First, see the answer. Though this T-shirt is small in size, I liked it. What's the procedure? This is the first idea, this is the second idea. What is called first idea, what is called second idea? The surprising, the idea which makes you surprised, that is called second idea. I like it even it is small, I like it. Okay, this is surprising idea. So you have to write that conjunction before the first idea. This is the write the first idea. You have to write the first idea, and you have to keep the word before the first idea. Though this t-shirt is small in size, comma, then you have to write the second idea as it is. This is the procedure. Though this t-shirt is small in size, I liked it. You can express the same idea as I liked the t-shirt though it is small in size. That is also answer. Okay. Next, now let's see the next example. The exam was lengthy, it was not difficult. The exam was lengthy, it was not difficult. When the exam was lengthy, we feel it difficult, but it was not difficult. This is the surprising idea, so this idea should be kept in the last position. So here you have to write though, even though, or although, whatever it may be. You may be given one of them only, though, even though, or although. One of them you will be given. You have to write the same word. So the answer is, though the exam was lengthy, it was not difficult. Very easy. You can express the same idea. The exam was not difficult. The exam was not difficult, though it was lengthy. Okay, you have to mention the noun first. So here I have mentioned the exam. The exam was not difficult, though it was lengthy, or though the exam was lengthy, it was not difficult. Okay, come to the next example. I am single, I am not ready to marry. These are two contrast ideas. The second idea is surprising idea, so this should be written in the last position. This idea should be written in the first position. Before that you have to write though, although, or even though. So although I am single, I am not ready to marry. Though I am single, I am not ready to marry. Even though I am single, I am not ready to marry. Okay, let's come in. Let's see the next example. I have taken the medicine, I am suffering from headache. These are two ideas. I have taken the medicine, but what happened? Surprisingly, I am suffering from headache. Okay, so the surprising idea should be kept in the last position in the sentence. Before that you have to write the first idea, and before that you have to mention the word though, although, or even though. So the answer is, though I have taken the medicine, I am suffering from headache. Though although I have taken the medicine, I am suffering from headache. Even though I have taken the medicine, I am suffering from a headache. You can change the sentence as, the meaning is not changed here. I am suffering from a headache though I have taken the medicine. That's also the answer. Let's combine them using. Come to the last example. I don't learn much English, I always try to speak in English. These are two contrast ideas. With although I don't learn much English, I always try to speak in English. Using in spite of not learning much English, I always try to speak in English. So dear students, I think you clearly understood this topic. If you have any other exercises regarding this topic, try to make it practice.